Hey, Ian Peoples again. 1962 Chevrolet Nova 2. I'll take this one for a drive. Let's try this one out. We'll have to pull onto the closed circuit here. This one is cold, so let's be easy on it. Does have power brakes. Very, very, very tight steering. Let's take a right here on the closed circuit. So this does have overdrive. Let's do that. So that's your overdrive. It's a 3000 installed torque converter in this car. I believe it had 373s in the back. Now it's got a lower ratio. The owner was saying that when he hit the gas before with the higher ratio, it would just turn the tires to smoke. So he wanted a little more drivable, and when he's cruising, it's not screaming the RPMs, that kind of thing. So we'll take it out here and get it up to a cruising speed. Here, let's go ahead and apply some brakes. But very, very responsive. It's a good driving car. If you're looking for a very well done Nova 2, and there's a lot of them that are out there, Nova 2s in general, but it's very rare to find one where somebody's taken the time to get everything right. You know, AC and drives good, you know, looks great. Let's head out here. Windows open. You can see 65, we're cruising 2800 RPMs. But none of that drone from the exhaust where people just put straight pipes on there. That's not this car. This car is not meant to be loud and obnoxious. This car is meant to cruise. And cruise very nicely and drive very well. And that is the purpose of this car. So we'll head back in here now. Get a nice little drive. We can check the car out. It's going to be hard to find a Nova 2 that's nicer than this one. I would say near impossible. This one's really nice. Thank you for viewing, and make sure to subscribe.